Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time we're going to do, well, I think we never did it before, and that's why I wanted to do it, that's for sure. We never did use peroxide instead of water. I think it's going to be a strange but maybe nice reaction between the paint, the acrylic, and the peroxide, since it's a chemical product, but not that harsh. So I think it's, well, I'm not sure. I don't know what's going to happen. So the best way to go about it is, like always, go and try it. So let's go and see. So guys, what can I tell you? I think it's another great success. I think, well, I have to say that I'm not quite sure the difference between the peroxide and if we had used, let's say, silicone, or even, I think it is more similar than going with white glue. So I'm not sure what happened, but I can tell you one thing though. With the peroxide, we see some kind of blue between some lines and some cells. So I think for sure it was the reaction between the peroxide and the acrylic and maybe the Floetrol. That's for sure. But listen, the result is great. It looks like a planet, that's for sure. I think for that it is a real success. I think it's very nice. It looks like some kind of bad weather on a planet, you know, something like that, but on a great looking planet which is green. So instead of red like Mars or something like that. So I think, you know, like I said, the result between the peroxide and the acrylic and the Floetrol is great. I think we have some sales. That's why I'm telling you it's a bit like using white glue, but with the difference that with the peroxide it seems to add another dimension, especially with the color. It seems to create another color. There's some kind of blue and maybe even violet in some case. But like always, you see it once it's dry, but I don't, I just finished it. But still, as I'm talking to you, it kind of change. It's changing every second, I should say. So anyway guys, I think it's nice. I hope you're gonna try it because it's kind of nice. I think peroxide is something to try. I think it's a bit different. I'm not quite sure yet since I'm only seeing it which is not dry for now, but I think it's going to be something to add in our bucket list of trying all kind of things, and I think it's nice. So guys, it's up to you. You should try it. I'm doing all those experiments for you, not to make if something goes wrong. I'm doing it. If it goes wrong, we're gonna see, and you're gonna have to adjust yourself accordingly. So guys, on that note, like always, thanks for being here. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you're gonna come back. And like always, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care, guys.